Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe. Today's recipe is beef tachos. This is a recipe from my Delish cookbook. It's really simple. You take a 9x13 baking dish, spray it with some cooking spray, and add tater tots, just using one bag of the mini tots. And you're going to bake that in the oven for 20 minutes is what the recipe said. I left mine in for like 25, almost 30, just because I wanted them a little bit more crispy. Then you're going to brown 1 pound of ground beef and drain off all the grease. You can add it back into the pan and add a tablespoon of taco seasoning. I was struggling to get mine out of the container, but I added a tablespoon and then I didn't think that was enough, so I did go back and add a little bit more. I'm just going to mix that up. And when the tater tots are done, you can sprinkle that over the top as evenly as possible. I also have 1 can of black beans that I've rinsed and drained. And once I have all the meat in there, I'm going to do the same thing with the beans, sprinkle that on top. And then add some cheese to it. I think I ended up using about 1.5 cups of cheese, but I'll put the exact recipe below. And once you get the cheese added, you add that back to the oven for 10 minutes so everything can heat back up and the cheese can melt. And here's what it looks like when it comes out. And then you could just put it on a plate and top it with anything you like. So I put sour cream on mine, tomatoes and cilantro, but you can put green onions, black olives, anything you want. It's super good, very easy to make, and then it's customizable. If you have a picky family like I do, they can add whatever toppings they want after it's done. So if you guys want to try the recipe, it's below in the description box. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.